complexities of running a home care agency is no easy task. With new regulations, compliance changes, and the constant challenges of patient care, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Hi, I'm Abik, Director of Product Marketing at HHAeXchange, and today I'm excited to share some insights we've gathered from top-performing agencies. We wanted to create this video to give you practical tips that not just help your agency stay afloat, but to help it thrive. Let's dive in. Our first piece of advice is to care about your caregivers. Now, that might seem obvious, but it's critical for success. Caregivers aren't just employees. They're the backbone of any agency. Good caregivers are like gold in this industry, and if you want your agency to shine, you need to treat them well. One burden agencies may not really think about are the administrative tasks. Are your caregivers spending a lot of time manually filling out timesheets, for example, when they really should be helping clients? Can they easily accept new shifts and change their schedules? If not, it's time to streamline these processes. Now, utilizing a caregiver mobile app can make a big difference here. It will give them more control, it'll save them precious time. Treating your caregivers well also means rewarding them for their hard work. Many agencies that we've worked with have decreased turnover significantly by providing incentives, benefits, and simply above average wages. Did you know that providers paying above the 75th percentile saw a 12.6% decrease in turnover? Pretty significant, right? Now just remember, when your employees feel that they are valued, they're more than likely to offer that same value back to you. Tip number 2, get out of the weeds. Administrative tasks can consume so much of your time and energy, pulling you away from the big picture. Here's where an integrated electronic visit verification software can help. Now, traditional EVV is good, but a full-service home care management software is truly a game changer. It automates billing and payroll, streamlines scheduling and caregiver patient matching, and ensures compliance in one fell swoop. Now, imagine going from spending a week of your time processing payroll to just 30 minutes. Now, that's the magic of an integrated EVV approach. Your time and effort need to be spent on supplying excellent care to your clients and growing your agency, not on paperwork or spreadsheets. Number 3, and it's all about the health outcomes of your clients and reducing hospitalizations. To do this, you need to observe, report, and track their progress. And your caregivers are the best eyes and ears of your agency, so empower them with the tools they need to do that. Teach your caregivers to identify environmental hazards that could lead to falls and hospitalizations, and how to regularly check prescription levels for their clients. For those with chronic conditions, simple observations like monitoring breathing and air quality can prevent complications. And most importantly, make sure your caregivers can share these observations with the agency. At HHAeXchange, we empower our agency clients to use our value-based care tool, which makes it easy for caregivers to report and track these concerning observations, ensuring that agencies stay ahead of any potential issues. Tip number 4. Be proactive, especially with compliance. No one likes fines or jeopardizing their business, right? The solution? Home care management software with built-in compliance monitoring. Now, these tools do more than just keep you afloat. They navigate the complexities for you, ensuring compliance at every level, from caregivers to visits and beyond. Integrated EVV systems like the one we offer here at HHAeXchange aren't just about ticking compliance boxes. They streamline your scheduling, reduce revenue leaks by tracking missed visits, and even ensure your claims are pre-scrubbed for compliance. But ultimately, compliance starts with the leaders at your agencies. Make compliance a part of your company culture and watch the consistency pay off. Our 5th and final tip, communicate, communicate, communicate. It's not just a mantra, it's a lifeline in the home care industry. Regularly check in with your caregivers, find their preferred communication method, whether it's email, text, or even a quick call, and stick to it. And remember, internal communications are just as vital. Consider assigning team leads for streamlined communication. And don't forget about your payers. Keeping them informed builds trust and showcases your commitment to member outcomes. You're dedicated to providing top-notch care, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's turn your home care agency into a thriving success. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.